morning, children. We have learned how to measure the height of people. We have learned how to measure the length of rope, ribbon, etc. Let us go through the book and have a look what all activities are given in the book. There are some very interesting activities given in the book. So today we are going to go through the book. Come, let's see. Chapter 2, Long and Short. So children, you have already seen a few activities in my previous videos. You have seen how to measure the length of a ribbon. Also, I showed you how to measure the height of a person. See children, in the book, they have made a scale. This is a scale. This is centimeters. This is 0 centimeters. So if you want to measure anything, you will have to keep that thing here. You will start from here. Suppose you have a pencil, or you want to measure the length of a pen, or maybe a ribbon. So you'll have to keep it here and stretch it and see what is the length. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, now this is the game which we have already talked about. So how far apart are the dots? So in this, they have also drawn some dots. See children, there are some points. They have named the points with a capital letter, and they are playing the game. And the game is guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? Now measure it with the help of a scale. And did you guess it right? You have to find out. Which two dots do you think are the farthest from each other? Check your answer. Which two dots are nearest to each other? And check your answer. Children, it's a very nice game. You can play it with your friends or siblings. It's a lot of fun in this game. Okay, you can make it on a normal paper also. Okay, now let's see what else is there. This is the shorter line. We talked about this also, where Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor and he said, Birbal, here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing. Birbal thought for a while and he drew another line. This is Akbar's line, children, this one. And this is Birbal's line. And he drew a longer line and said, now your line is shorter. So look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. Now, can you be as smart as Birbal and make his line shorter without erasing it? Just think, is there any longest line? So children, you can draw a still longer line here, and then Birbal's line will become shorter than your line. And we can keep drawing long and longer lines, and there is no end to it. There is no longest line in the world, because a line can be extended in both the directions, right? Okay, now this is the fun activities there, children. Try this. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than her left arm. You have to measure this arm and make the other arm 1 centimeter longer. Okay, draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. This also you can do. Measure it and draw the other cup 1 centimeter shorter. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. Oh, this is Harry Potter's broom, it seems. Okay, please measure it, and the other broom which you will draw should be half as long as this broom. Okay, draw another hair of double the length. Oh, so this you have to do it approximately because it's a curved hair. You have to draw the other hair which is double the length. Double means 2 times multiplied by 2. Okay, how tall have you grown? Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Yes, children, I told you that you have to find out your height from the report card of the previous class. So do you think you have grown taller How much taller? You have to find out and write here. Have your friends also grown taller? Somebody must have grown a little more taller. Somebody would have not grown very tall. So it may differ from person to person. Find out and fill the table below. So children, this you have to do. You can find out from your friends and fill up this table. Okay. Jhumpa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeters tall. Oh God, that is just double of Jhumpa's height. How tall is Jhumpa? Okay, so children, 272 centimeter is the height of the tallest man. And Jhumpa's height is half of that, this tallest man. How it is half? It is written that Jhumpa is just, that is just double of Jhumpa's height. So children, you have to find Jhumpa's height. How will you find out? Think over. Come on. You will divide this by 2 to make it half. Then only you will be able to find out Jhumpa's height. Wow, his height is exactly double my height. Okay. Imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Okay, for that we need to know the length of our classroom door. So when we go to the classroom, we will have to measure the length. So what you have to do, you have to carry a measuring tape with you. Remember in my previous video, I had shown you the measuring tape, and then we will take the help of our friend and we will measure the length of the door of our classroom, and we will find out whether this man, the tallest man, can pass through the door without bending or not. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? For this, you have to take the help of your parents. But you can do that only if you have a ladder in your house, because you have to find out the length of the wall. It means you have to go till the roof. From the floor, you have to go till the roof. This you cannot do on your own. You have to take the help of your parents to find out what is the length of the wall so that you can reach the roof. This you have to do it that way only. Okay. The long and short of your family, you have to find out who is the tallest in your family. How will you find out? You have to find the height of all the people in your family. Who is the shortest in your family? When you will find out the height of all of them, you will come to know who is the shortest in your family. What is the difference between their heights? You have to subtract. Okay. So this you have to do it on your own, and everybody will get a different answer. Okay. Now this is inter-school sports meet. So children, we have so many inter-school sports meet. We have races and we have jumps. There's so much fun. You enjoy your sports meet. Let us see what they are doing. There is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters away from it. Okay, she's 6 meters from it. Behind her is Rihanna. Konkana and Uma are running behind Rihanna. Look at the picture. To answer these questions, to answer the questions below, choose from these distances. Okay, we have to choose from these distances: 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters. Okay, it's a 100-meter race, children. Let us see what are the questions. Okay. How far is Rihanna from Arundhati? Children, we have to make a guess. Okay. We can't measure it. We have to make a guess. They have told us that it's a 100-meter race. Also, they have told us that, what have they told? Who is this girl? Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. See, Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. So she is Arundhati. Okay. So Arundhati is nearest the finishing line and she's 6 meters from the finishing line. Now you have to find out how far is Rihanna from Arundhati. So from here to here, we have to guess. So how far? I think it should be, what do you think, children? Should it be 6 meters or 3 meters? Okay, you can actually, I think it should be 3 meters because it is from this foot to this foot. If this is 6 meters, this is half of it, almost half of it. So I think it is 3 meters. How far ahead is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma? Okay, Konkana and Uma are here and here is Rihanna. Now from here to here we have to guess how far is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma. So I think this distance is almost the same as this distance. What do you think? I think so. You can even measure and see. I feel Rihanna is 6 meters ahead from Konkana and Uma. Okay. So, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? Okay, children. Now, if this is 6, this is 3, and this is 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So I think Konkana and Uma are 15 meters from the finishing line. Okay. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You remember that 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer and 500 meters make half a kilometer. So you can say in a 1500 meter race, people run how many kilometers? You have to find out. See, 1 kilometer is 100 meters and 500 meters is half kilometer. So 1500 meters will be 1.5 kilometer. In a 3000 meter race, people run dash kilometer. You have to find out, children. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, 2 kilometer is 2000 meters, and 3 kilometers is 3000 meters. So in a 3000 meter race, people run 3 kilometers. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Rest we will do in our next video. Bye and have a good day.